Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. Welcome to the video where we are going to explore the beauty of handmade crochet table mats. Crochet is not just a craft, it's an art that transforms simple yarn into something elegant, timeless, and full of personality. And when it comes to home decor, nothing adds charm quite like a crochet table mat, loving mat stitch by stitch. Imagine walking into a dining room or living space where the table is decorated with delight and craft mats that don't just protect the table surface, they tell a story of creativity, patience, and tradition. Each loaf, each pattern is the result of hours of dedication. Unlike factory made items, crochet mats carry the worth of handmade love, making them a centerpiece of conservation. Crochet table mats come in endless design, from classic round with intricate patterns to modern square and rectangle mats with bold textures. Some are minimalized made with natural cottons yarn from a touch, while others burst with colors perfect for brightening up a festive dining setup. What makes crochet table mats so special is their you can place them under your stylish layer. They work beautifully as placemats during dinner pairs instantly the dining experience. And let's not forget they make unforgettable handmade gifts. A set of crochet mats is not just a practical, it's gift of art. The history of crochet itself goes back with roots in European lacy making traditions. Today, crochet table mats continue. They bring a heritage feel while also fitting seamlessly into modern homes. The combination of whole world charm and modern is what makes them timeless, and the yarns how their choice are endless cotton yarn for an easy washing, wool blends form and texture of skilly shiny finish. Each type of yarn creates a completely different feel, sturdy or for everyday use or light and for special occasions. Crochet artists also experiment with patterns. You find floral motifs that look like blooming roses, geometric patterns that bring structure, and other and free flowing design that look almost like snowflakes frozen in time. Every stitch counts and every finished mat is unique. No two pieces are exactly alike. For those who love dye making, crochet table mats is a deeply rewarding hobby. Start with simple single crochet stitches, slowly moving toward more complex patterns like shells, pineapples, and strawberries with patience and practice. With being as a ball of yarn transforms into something that can last generations. Think about it, these mats are not just decorate, they heirlooms. Many families pass them down, keeping alive the memory of grandmother and mother who created them just years ago. Every time you place